Lake Charles Toyota is a family business. My dad's owned it for 30 years, and my brother and I have in the last 10 years become partners, and we run the store together now. My dad's retired, but it's a generational business. We are a retail car dealership. We sell and service vehicles. We have a car wash. We do accessories. We do repairs and maintenance. We just do whatever we can do to serve our community's automotive needs. We live in Southwest Louisiana. It's hot, and obviously if we have an HVAC problem at our facility, within minutes it can cause problems for not just our associates but our customers. And so it's really critical that our HVAC operations stay at their tip-top shape to keep this place cool. Star approached us. We had no idea that their business model even existed. So they came and pitched us not just their company, but their business model. And they said that what they were going to do is they're going to come in, assess all the equipment that we have. They're not going to make us replace everything. They're only going to recommend, things that need to be brought up to standard. And then once it's brought up to standard, they take responsibility for all of it. And that's exactly what they did. They said that if anything goes wrong, they're going to pay for it, and they have. Having Star come in and just say you're going to have one price per month, you're going to pay us a subscription, and your price is not going to change. Whatever we have to spend, we're going to spend. If we have to send people out, we're going to send them out. You're going to pay a fixed price. That was just wonderful for our business model, because we know that we can count on the reliability of the equipment, and we know exactly what we're going to pay every month. And our variability and profitability comes from whether or not we're selling cars, not whether or not we had a $20,000 AC repair that month. So when there's a Star van in the parking lot, their people are here, they're always very professional, they're very efficient, they know where to go, they don't bother anybody, they come in, they do their job, they do it professionally, they give us a report on the way out, they say here's what we did. They're very good about answering questions if we have them, and they're very good about just staying out of the way and doing their job if we don't.